Your response? Napboule! We're on fire. We are on devoir 4. Guys, lessons 1 through 3 is like, woo! So from 4 to 5, I've made it a little bit easier. I calmed my brakes or cooled my brakes. I don't know American idioms and expressions and what do you call that? Metaphors, because obviously I'm Haitian. My parents were Haitian. My family's Haitian. But I hope I said that. Pump your brakes. I pump the brakes. Maybe not. I'm going to stop. Okay. Remember, English expressions and Haitian expressions do not go together. It is time for your devoir. I hope you allowed a few hours at the very least or a few days to pass since your exercice was completed and watching the exercice video. The reason for that is the devoir is for you to see how much you have learned in the amount of time that you have been working on leçon 4. Now, in the devoir, I'm going to do, just like I did in exercice, I'm going to help you to understand why some things are not the way maybe you think they should be, based on the past questions that I have been asked. So, let's get done. Let's get doing. Let's get going. I'm not going to try to do American expressions. All right, your first sentence was, the girl is small. Fille petite. That means the girl is small. Why is a used for the? Fille ends in a vowel. So in lesson 2, you learned you use the vowel form of the, which is a. Why do we say petit? Does petit mean child? No. Petite with a T at the end means child. And petit must be put at the end of the sentence for small because we cannot use T. T is an abbreviation. And you know, since leçon 3, we do not put an abbreviated word at the end of a sentence. So répétez, fille petite. Fille petite. De. Yes, they are in the same thing. Oui, yo na même bagay la. This pretty much goes with the English sentence, except for the form of the coming after the noun, as you know. Why is la used as the? Because a Y in Kreyòl is not a vowel. So even though bagay sounds like the long vowel I, it is not a vowel. So when a word ends in a consonant that is not an M or an N, we use la. Répétez, oui. Yo na même bagay la. Oui, yo na même bagay la. Oui, yo na même bagay la. That mem is the same mem in English that gives you remember. Member of the organization. Mem. It's not that complicated. Try not to go ma'am. It's just mem. Toi? No, because I don't want that. I want that 80%. Non, parce que moi pas vle ça. And that's pretty much cut dry. No, because I don't want that. Just like English. Répétez, non, parce que moi pas vle ça. Non, parce que moi pas vle ça. I don't just want you to give me the word articulation well, but also the physical expression. That's why I abbreviate. Non, parce que moi pas vle ça. Cat, I can't do anything for them. Moi pas ka fè rien pou yo. Moi pas ka fè rien pou yo. Mwen pa ka fe anyen pou yo. Yes, you can say it like me. Oui. 5. Don't give him anything yet. Poko bali anyen. It's shorter because poko is both the words don't and yet, negative and conditional. Don't yet, bali, give him, anyen, nothing, double negative, right? Poko, don't yet, don't. Anyen, don't yet give him nothing. Why is ba used for to give? Because li is a pronoun. So we have to change it from by to ba. Why not ba? Because li is not nasal, mwen, nu. So we don't use ban. We use ba, li. Répétez, poko bali anyen. Anyen. Poko bali anyen. Bien fait! You are now ready for the speech drills of Leçon 5. Go ahead, do a thumbs up, like it up, and other words, give it that little heart so that you can download this video and move on to your speech drills for Leçon 5. This is a trickier speech drill, trying to teach you not to do the TR like English. Tree, try, true. No, we are focusing on sounds on your speech drill. I'm ready for you. Nawe, pita. See you later. Répétez. Nawe, pita.